Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Elkhart County, Indiana, northwestern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, northeastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Napanee, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goshen, Napanee, Goodlatte, Wakarusa, New Paris, Locke, Southwest, Foraker, Gravelton, Hastings, and Waterford Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, and Marshall. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY 6.